Follow the steps in this video to troubleshoot fingerprint recognition issues in Windows. First, let's clean the fingerprint sensor. Turn off the computer and use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe the fingerprint sensor. Avoid using harsh chemicals, as a slightly damp cloth with water is sufficient. Make sure the sensor is completely dry before attempting to use it again. If you're still experiencing issues, move on to the next step. Incorrect finger placement can cause recognition problems. Each fingerprint reader has a specific placement area for optimal reading. Make sure you place your finger flat against the sensor and cover as much of the sensor surface as possible. If the sensor still does not recognize your fingerprint, proceed to the next step. Make sure the fingerprint reader is turned on in BIOS. If it's off, Windows might not be able to see the hardware. If you have an older BIOS version, please consult your device's user manual to locate the fingerprint reader device section. If you have the latest BIOS version, restart your computer. At the Dell logo screen, press the F2 key repeatedly to access BIOS. In the Integrated Devices section, scroll down and find Miscellaneous Devices. Make sure Enable Fingerprint Reader Device is checked off. Click on Apply Changes and then OK to confirm. Exit BIOS. If you've made sure the sensor is enabled in BIOS and the issue persists, proceed to the next step. Update the fingerprint reader driver and BIOS with Support Assist. If you don't have Support Assist, refer to this link for alternative methods to download and install Dell drivers. Before you update drivers, make sure to keep your computer connected to its power source throughout the entire process. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Support Assist. In the Home tab, click Update Software and press Start. Wait for Support Assist to find any outdated drivers. When drivers have been found, click on View Updates. Click on Install and wait for Support Assist to download and install drivers. The computer will restart and boot into Windows to finish the process. If the issue still isn't resolved, let's check for Windows 11 updates. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Click on Windows Update. Select Check for Updates and install any pending updates. If there was an update available, check the fingerprint reader after installing it. If it still is not working, reinstall the fingerprint sensor drivers. To reinstall fingerprint sensor drivers, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Biometric Devices. Right-click on the fingerprint sensor and choose Uninstall Device. Restart the computer to prompt Windows to automatically reinstall the necessary drivers. Next, let's remove and re-enroll your fingerprint. Click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Select Accounts and click on Sign In Options. Choose Fingerprint Recognition and click Remove. Click on Setup and then select Get Started. Enter your PIN when prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to re-enroll your fingerprints. Make sure the fingerprint sensor is clean and free of any dust or debris. Windows will guide you through the process of registering your fingerprint. If you are still experiencing issues after completing the previous steps, you'll need to run Support Assist ePSA diagnostics on the system. Make sure to keep the computer plugged into its power source throughout this process. Restart your computer. At the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F12 key to access the one-time boot menu. Select Diagnostics to prompt the quick test. Note that the mouse and touch features will not be functional during the test. If you receive an error code, make a note of it and contact Dell support for assistance. If no errors were found, click on Exit and restart the computer. If you have any questions about the fingerprint reader, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other support tutorials available.